Imagine boosting your immune system with just a handful of berries. Elderberries, those small, dark gems, have been a folk remedy for centuries, but recent studies are bringing them into the spotlight for their health boosting benefits. You might be surprised to learn just how versatile and beneficial these berries can be. From fighting colds and flu to reducing inflammation, elderberries pack a powerful punch in your health arsenal. They're not only rich in antioxidants, but also vitamins that help fend off minor illnesses and maintain overall wellness. Now let's dive into how incorporating elderberries into your diet can elevate your health and well-being. Elderberries, celebrated for their profound health benefits, also boast a storied background intricately woven into the fabric of various cultures. Known as the medicine chest of the countryside, these berries have served a myriad of medicinal purposes over the centuries. Tracing back to ancient civilizations, elderberries were a staple in traditional medicine. Ancient Egyptians, for instance, utilized these berries to improve complexion and heal burns. The father of medicine, Hippocrates, described the elder tree as his medicine chest because of the wide array of health issues it seemed to cure. In European folklore, the elder tree was considered sacred. Legend has it that the elder tree could ward off evil spirits. The berries were often used in syrups and salves to treat respiratory ailments, fevers, and pain from arthritis, making the plant a cornerstone in folk healing practices. Native Americans also recognized the medicinal properties of elderberry. They used it to treat infections, and some tribes viewed the berry as a treatment to reduce fever, with other preparations applied to soothe skin or enhance healing. Elderberry's use in folklore highlights its long-standing reputation as a natural healer, providing insights into the trusted status across different eras and cultures. This rich history not only underscores the plant's wide-ranging application in traditional medicine, but it also reinforces why today's science investigates elderberry's potential in modern medical treatments. Elderberries pack a powerful nutritional punch, offering a myriad of health benefits linked to their high antioxidant content. Here, learn about the specific nutrients these dark, vibrant berries can contain. Elderberries are noted for their high levels of powerful antioxidants. Anthocyanins, responsible for giving elderberries their distinctive purple color, also boast potent anti-inflammatory effects. These antioxidants, including phenolic acids and flavonols, such as quercetin, play a critical role in reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. They are effective in combating oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic and age-related diseases. Colds and flus. Elderberries are well documented for their potential antiviral properties, particularly against the flu virus. A study demonstrated that elderberry components are significantly more effective later in the stages of influenza infections. Moreover, elderberry syrup may reduce flu symptoms by up to 4 days if administered within 48 hours of onset. Research also supports its benefits for common colds, reducing symptoms severity and duration, especially in stressed immune systems such as those of frequent travelers. Elderberries could also enhance overall immune function. The antioxidants in the berries, including anthocyanins and quercetin, may boost your immune response to pathogens. This effect is beneficial not only during the infections, but also in maintaining a healthy immune system. Although most studies focus on respiratory infections like colds and flu, elderberries may also aid in sinus infections, particularly when used in traditional herbal combinations. Elderberries may also contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Research indicates that these effects are due to the presence of powerful antioxidants known as polyphenols in the berries. Additionally, elderberries have been noted to possibly influence blood sugar levels positively, an important factor for those managing conditions like type 2 diabetes that can impact cardiovascular health. The antioxidants found in elderberries may also present anti-cancer properties. Significant studies have evaluated both European and American elderberries, observing a potential to prevent cancer cell growth. These findings support elderberries as part of a diet that potentially helps in preventing cancer, although more research is necessary to fully validate these effects. Antioxidants like vitamin C in elderberries are crucial for skin health. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, reducing signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. It may also help lessen hyperpigmentation and protect against environmental damage. Elderberry's vitamin A contents further support skin health, enhancing the benefits of a diet rich in these berries for maintaining youthful, resilient skin. Elderberries can boost digestive health due to their fiber content, especially when consumed whole. A half-cup serving of whole elderberries provides roughly 20% of the recommended daily intake of fiber, promoting gut bacteria health and regularity. Additionally, elderberries function as a natural diuretic, enhancing kidney function by facilitating the regular elimination of toxins through increased urination. Exploring various methods of incorporating elderberries into your diet enhances the likelihood of reaping their health benefits. You can consume elderberries in several forms, with each offering unique advantages tailored to your preferences and lifestyle. 1. Supplements. If convenience is paramount, you might opt for elderberry capsules or tablets. These are especially useful during the flu season or when you're on the go. Juices and teas. For hydration and enjoyment, elderberry juice and teas serve as a delightful option. They provide a soothing way to ingest antioxidants that can be integrated into daily routines easily. 3. Dried fruit. Incorporating dried elderberries into your diet allows for versatile culinary uses, such as adding them to cereals, yogurts, and homemade trail mix. 4. Elderberry syrup. A popular choice. Elderberry syrup can be taken directly or mixed into beverages. For the best experience, try warming the elderberry syrup. Now, you may be wondering, are there any precautions for elderberry? Well, elderberries offer an array of health benefits from boosting your immune system to promoting your heart health. You need to use them correctly to avoid potential risks. Consuming elderberries raw isn't recommended as they contain cyanogenic glycosides, which can release cyanide. Proper preparation neutralizes these compounds. If you're considering elderberry supplements, consult your doctor, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medications, as elderberries can interact with some pharmaceuticals. Elderberry can alter blood sugar levels, requiring attention if you have diabetes or take insulin. Similarly, its diuretic properties, beneficial for kidney health, might reduce fluids too much when combined with diuretic medication. Lastly, it's vital to source elderberry products from reputable suppliers. Homemade remedies from wild elderberries require precise knowledge of safe preparation methods to avoid toxicity. Always ensure you're getting the correct species, as some are safer than others for culinary use. Exploring the many benefits of elderberries has shown just how powerful these small fruits can be for your health. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health and improving your skin's appearance, elderberries pack a potent punch. Remember to consume them safely and responsibly to avoid any potential risks associated with their raw form. Whether you choose to make your own syrup or opt for store-bought products, ensure they come from a trusted source. Elderberries are indeed a remarkable addition to a health-conscious diet, and when used correctly, they can contribute significantly to your overall well-being. So why not add a splash of elderberry to your daily routine and see how this ancient berry can benefit modern life?